Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, there was an error, we failed to establish a connection to the server, failed to connect, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Fortnite easily. So first up what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here allow an app through Windows Firewall, you're going to open it up, you're going to click change settings on here, click allow another app, click browse, go to your Fortnite directory. So I don't have Fortnite installed on my computer, so I'm just going to use another game as an example. So you're going to click open on here, click add then, and then you're going to find Fortnite on here in this list, and then make sure that private and public both are ticked on Fortnite. And then you're going to click OK on here. And after that, you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections now. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. Just click on it. Click change settings of this connection. Go into Internet Protocol version 4. Click properties. Click use the following DNS server addresses. Right here in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 1.0.0.1. Click OK. Click OK again. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here Windows Firewall again now. And here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto advanced settings, click onto inbound rules, click new rule here, click program, click next, go into your Fortnite directory from here as well. I'm just going to use another game as an example to show you how to do it, but you're going to use Fortnite. Click open, click next, click allow here, click next, make sure all three of these are ticked, add a name, Fortnite or whatever, and then click finish. And after that you're going to go into outbound rules. You're going to do the same here. Click new rule, program, find Fortnite, click open, click next, click allow the connection, click domain, private, public, make sure all of these are on, click next, add a name here again, and then you should be good to go. Now you can go ahead and play Fortnite on your computer and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.